Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view or check your card number on the HSBC Bank app. First, open the HSBC Bank app on your iPhone. Log in using your Face ID, Touch ID or passcode. Once you are logged in, go to the account section. Tap on the account link to your debit card or credit card. Now look for your card image or an option that says card detail, manage card or view card. Tap on it. You may be asked to verify your identity again using your Face ID or your app password. This is for security. After verification, you will be able to see your full card name, expire date and something that CVV pending on your reason. If you don't see the full card name, don't worry. Some HSBC account only show the last 4 digits of the card. This is normal and done to keep your money safe. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.